our 4 liters commercial blender. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 7.5 inches, a depth of 8.5 inches, and a height of 21.5 inches tall. Coming beneath the mixer, you have your on and off speed control, along with the pulse function. We have the blending jar, the steam cap, along with the interlockable lid for the top of the jar. Coming to the bottom will be the spinning blade. And the measurements for the jar will include 11.5 inches tall, with the radius on the top of the blending jar, we have 7 inches. Included will also be the tool, mixing tool. So while the blender is mixing, this tool can be used to push down your ingredients and products to properly blend and mix the product inside the blending jar. Coming to the back of the mixer will be the technical specifications and the ETL certification. 110-120 voltage plug. And coming beneath the mixer, you have a reset button. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.